Kamiti ya mihaka na ithurano bururi-ini IEBC ni ithiete na mbere kuruguria mitaratara ya mehariria ma githurano kinene kia mwaka ukite, kuria umuthi maruguritie mutaratara wa maundu maria megutabanio ni kamiti ino ari mehariria-ini ma githurano giukite. Ni hindi igongona riri muikariri giti wa kamiti ino Wafula Chebukati ahithuritie itanya ria kwambiriria mubango wa guthurima mihaka ya icigo cia ubunge. Ona gutuika mubango uyu ni awikiriire nganja ya kurikirira kuumana na unyihu wa mahinda mbere ya githurano kinene.
The Commission has scheduled all the activities required for boundary reviews. It's a process, and that process is ongoing. We shall stop at some point before the elections and then restart it after the elections.
Kuringana na gicunji kia 49 gia gatiba ya bururi, IEBC yagirirwo guthurima mihaka ya icigo cia ubunge gatagati-ini ka ihinda ria miaka 812. Mutaratara uria no nginya urikirire mwaka umwe mbere ya githurano kinene wona korwo ti guthurimi ucio tiririo nginya githurano kiria kirumiriire. Undu uyu ariguo uroneka kurituhi thabu ria IEBC kuona maratanyite gukorwo marikitie uthurimi uyu mbere ya githurano kinene. No Chebukati akaukuruhania na gukorwo matahetwo kigina gia kutabania.
The election operations plan, which has been launched today, has the timelines up to 9th of August next year when the election will take place. And the last couple of years we have not been sleeping. We have been working towards the general election with the limitation, of course, of funding, where we could not roll out most of the activities like water education, water registration. But now that we have some budgetary allocation, we shall then fast track those activities. So
Chebukati ningi ni ahuthirite igongona ria umuthi gutariria wihariria wao hari gutigirira ni magakinyaniria githurano kia uumana waragania, kuria manyitaniire na ruhonge rwa ukinyaniria bururi-ini niguo gutigirira ceceni ciothe cia wikia wa kura ni nyitithanitio wega na network ya 3G, niguo gutigirira maumirira mothe magatarirwo na kurikirira ceceni-ini cia wikia wa kura.
Issues of servers, we shall work with the media and meetings lined up with the media fraternity so that election results are in the polling station. That is what it is. At every polling station, after counting, those are the results. Issues of transmission should not be an issue that should affect elections in any way.
Ni igongona rigwikinyitio ni anyiti itemi kuma honge ingi cia thirikari ari hamwe na ruhonge rwa magoti, kamiti ya guthingatithia urumwe na wiguano bururi-ini NCIC hamwe na ingi, guku othe aya meraniire kunyitirira IEBC hari gukinyaniria ithurano cia uma na waragania.
In highlighting boundary delimitation, the IEBC has made our work infinitely easier, and we as a commission are looking forward to partner with the IEBC to make and keep the peace.
So what is at stake is the fear that if we are out of government, what are our chances in this country?
Girivotera Kameme TV, jitagwo Mwaura wa Gunyama.